right there for you guys. We're at 0 teams. Definitely, definitely appreciate you guys for pulling that one up. Take everything off the screen. Let's make a deal. All right, good luck, guys. Here we go. Good luck, good luck. Break number HC023, guys. All right, this is how it works, guys. This is what we're gonna do. I say guys a lot, don't I? Is there any girls in the live, guys? Everyone, anyone? Hopefully, you guys aren't offended by it. You know what I mean? All right, this is how it works, guys and gals. This is the buyer giveaway. Both of these. All right. If if you guys, whatever the last card of the break is, it's gonna go to that team. All right. So any team has a chance to hit this. This is the buyer giveaway. It's gonna go to the last card of the break. If the last card is a Browns, it's going to the Browns. If it's the Giants, it's going to the Giants, and so forth. All right, guys and gals. All right. Good luck. You're getting a 2021 rookie class here, and both 2021 in the buyer giveaway. Let me take this thing off. Just wanted to try it out. Maybe next time I'll use that. All right, here we go, guys and gals. We're gonna go back and forth between the two. We're not gonna do all of it at one time. We're gonna go back and forth, right? So we do 2022, 2023. Oh, sorry, 2023, 2024. All right, total is 16 blasters here. Victor, thank you for the follow. Hopefully you guys can hear me. If you guys have any questions, any issues, just let me know, all right? All right, here we go. Starting off with 2024. Good luck, guys. Remember, last card of the break. These are the discos. Both discos, all discos, all right? Both discos. Definitely hit some, we can pull some silvers and stuff like that. We're going back and forth. We don't want the people chasing 2023 leaving and then coming back. Here we go. Good luck. Richard Seymour, Chris Bracewell, and White. You guys ever use cardboard gold? I'm actually not a fan of it, but I ended up hoarding cardboard gold. And I have a ton of them. I actually like collectible supply. Alright, look, here we go. Dylan Law. The Raiders. Love the design. The design actually looks pretty good. Carson Steele for the Chiefs and Hines Ward for the Steelers. Here's our silver. Give us a rookie. Give us a rookie here. Come on. Marvin Mims on the silver. We got a Travis Kelce hype and a Kiwi Porter. There's a JJ for the Vikings starting off with that one. And Ryan Flournoy for the Cowboys. Alright, we'll take JJ. Ryan Flournoy. A lot of people were hyping him up for Dallas, saying he's going to be the number 2 wide receiver. He was looking good in preseason. Remember, guys, the Oilers are going to the Titans. Andre Prizm. So we hit a quarterback. All right, it's been a while since I've ripped 2023, guys. I hope I can remember all the rookies from 2023. Felix Uzuma. Got a James Conner on a disco and a Drake London hype. There's Juan Johnson. DeJuan Johnson. Nickel. There's one. There's one. There's one. There's one Johnson. I got it right? I think I got it right. So hard to say. What's going on, guys? How's everybody doing? Welcome in, welcome in. This is Zay Flowers for the Ravens. Silver on the Michael Pittman and Nate Patrick. Pro Bowl. Zay Flowers. What do you guys think? Brian Thomas, did he get snubbed? What do you guys think? Should Brian Thomas have beaten out Zay Flowers? Taysom Hill on a disco. And, yeah, I think Brian Thomas Jr. should have beaten him out. There's a Devon Achane of Dolphins. Chandler Jones on a disco and a Jason Nelson. I'm missing something here. Should be a rookie. Should be. Roshan Johnson for the Bears. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. Definitely appreciate you guys for closing that breakout, guys. I'll do one more giveaway for everyone in the live as well. The buyer giveaway only applies to anybody that bought anything in the break during the break. Patty. Kamari Lassiter, Texans. We need to hit a silver top quarterback from any team. We'll take it. There's a Jaden Daniels. There you go. We'll take that starting off. Cam Chancellor. I actually like the new design of 2023. Sorry, 2024. 2024 design. It's kind of like a little throwback action. Definitely like it. It's a new design. But we'll take it. We'll take it. Ooh, yeah, it was a good one. Brian Jordan on the silver for Atlanta. There's a Brian Thomas. Got it. All right, getting better, getting better. Anthony Gold and Roman Wilson. Roman Wilson from the Steelers. CJ's second year. Terrell Davis for the Broncos. Kool-Aid McKinstry. Chris Jones on this Oh, I forgot about patches. Marvin Mims for the Broncos on a patch. Deuce Vaughn. Take it, Marvin Mims. He's definitely been holding it down ever since Bo Nix came in. Derek Hall. Silver of Cortland Sutton. Ooh. Bijan for Atlanta. There you go. There you go, Joe. We'll definitely take that Bijan. Silver variation. Rashad Penny and Jamal Adams. Good start. Remember, guys, we have variations out of these two, 2024. But the reds and the blue are definitely the short prints. Nice hit, Joe. Definitely take that Bijan Robinson. Julius Brents. We got an Isaiah Pacheco and Rose. What's going on? Welcome in. Welcome in. Jalen Carter for the Eagles. Take that. Harris Johnson. CeeDee Lamb. Hendon Hooker on the portal. Bixby. Back to 2024. A lot of rookies when you think about it. 2024 and 2022 coming together. And then once you put in 2022, it's like every team is going to be solid. You got the Jets. Jets are a solid team. Lions, I feel like Lions have been having some really good drafts. You got a Jared Verse for the Rams. There you go, Rams. Jared Verse. Except for that helmet they had to put on them. Here we go. Cooper DeJean for the Eagles. Garrett Wilson for the Jets. Welcome in, you guys. Welcome in. How's everyone doing today? Appreciate the follows, guys. Definitely appreciate it. Appreciate all the likes and everything like that, guys. Kobe Turner on the silver, and not who we're looking for. Kirk Cousins on the Prizm break. Such an odd picture, right? Let me just show you guys that picture again. That's such an odd picture. Michael Penix for Atlanta. Xavier Legette for the Panthers. Nice. Awesome. We're hitting all the quarterbacks, I think. We're going to need some CJs, some Anthony Richardson. Those guys will pop up. Nice Michael Penix. Definitely take that. Now, who do we need? Drake Mays. Bo Nix. Keenan Allen. Not who we're looking for, but we need Caleb. We need Caleb. Give us a Caleb. We got Jacob Cowing for the San Fran 49ers. Jordan Love for the Packers. That's a really good. I feel like their first year cards don't look as good as their second or third year. For some reason. Well, his second year card was pretty bad. They had him in a practice gear. You guys want to see this picture again? This is such an odd picture, doesn't it? I feel like, why does Kirk Cousins look so odd in that picture? It's like, oh no, I lost my job. All right, back to 2023, guys. Here we go. Zach Harrison, Stephon Diggs, and Desmond Ritter. Invincible. Nice. Jordan Addison for the Vikings. There you go. In our league for a while. Doesn't want to play. Silver of Van Jefferson. Van Jefferson. He's a starter now. Josh, welcome in. Dave, welcome in. John Riggins on the disco. Sam Howell. Forgot about Sam Howell. He just sitting in the back. He might have a chance to start eventually. Over Gino. There's a Dorian Thompson Robinson. John Randall. Malik is 2022, Joe. Malik is 2022. Oh, Malik Neighbors. Malik Neighbors is 2024. Mozzie Smith and a key reporter. Where you been, Joe? Looks like your break's doing all right now. You did some Atlanta. Atlanta's a good one right now for you. Giants aren't too good for you right now. Forgot about Malik Neighbors. I was thinking about Malik Willis. Jordan Jefferson, Jacoby Myers, Lee McKinley, Devon Bullock, Packers, I want a silver variation. That's what I want to see. Bucky, the Bucks. Kendre Miller. I knew Kendre Miller was gonna show up. Dallas got some sleeper players. Jalen Tolbert. Wow, this pack feels like it's missing something. It feels like it's missing a bunch of cards. Nope, 4 cards. Felt really thin. D-Law. Take it. Pablo on silver. Ray Davis on the prismatic. He has some pretty good flashes. He's not gonna surpass James Cook at the moment. James Cook, he gets into the end zone. He reminds me of you guys remember Melvin Gordon? Marshawn Nealon. Adonai Mitchell for the Colts. Ooh, we're getting close. To halfway. Rookie. Dak Prescott. Your Dak top low. Definitely a lot of discos for Dallas for sure. Dallas is definitely hitting the discos. Alright, down to 4-4 here. 4-5. That win on this page. Justin Fields. There's really no case hits if you think about it, but it's really hard to hit, but it's the press proof. Jahmyr Gibbs on the patch, nice. Ooh, you got your second John. Reds are short prints. Jacob, I think red, and then blue, and then press proof is shorter, then it's blue, and then it's red. Or is it red and then blue? I don't know exactly. It's a disco. Like blue's probably to 10 and red's like probably to 5. Did I say blue disco? I'm sorry, orange disco Bijan. My bad. But blue are the short prints and red short prints. Those are technically the case hit. Josh Downs, silver of John Elway, and Kyle Trask. Trying to explain myself, I kind of got lost in the conversation a little bit while. Ooh, here we go. Ah, Kenny McIntosh. Why is he here? For Seattle, Kenny McIntosh, Fred Warner, and Kerry Porter. Kenny McIntosh. I was hoping for some Jackson Smith and Jigba. Would have been nice for Seattle. There you go, Seattle. A little variation for you. Michael Wilson. I forgot about Michael Wilson. Legarius Sneed and Noah Font. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. How you guys doing tonight? Tyree Wilson, the Raiders. Jason Hill, reporter. Does anybody not want base? Anybody in the chat not want base? Guys, pick the last box. Which box give me the last box, guys? Give me a row. Row 1 or row 2? First person to say it. Row 1. All right, row 1's 2024. All right. Give me a number between 1 and 4. You guys went too early, but I'm gonna go after Jacob. After Jacob. All right, 1, 2, 3. I'll get that right. 1, 2. All right, this is gonna be the last box here. This is gonna be the last box. All right, we're gonna move that over here. We're gonna start back here. All right. No, we're gonna start with. Go back to this. Hey, no O'Connell. Take it. Silver of Desmond King. Like Brian Robinson. I'm actually, this is my first time breaking. I'm actually liking. No, 2024 Prizm. I'm sorry, 2024 Prizm. Got another patch here. Good luck. Jalen Carter for the Eagles. Derrick Henry on a disco. And the kid reporter. Derrick Henry's a beast. I mean, he needed another 100 yards, but if you get 200 and some 30-something yards in one game, it would have been difficult. Yards to get 2,000. It was close. Didn't hit 2,000 though. It was close. But he has over 2,000 all-purpose yards. Think about it. If you put in his receiver and stuff like that. Darnell Washington and Hassan Pace. Derrick Henry booklet. Where'd you pull it out of? Michael Mayers for the Raiders. Yeah, what product was it from? Tank Dell for the Texans. Patrick Queen and CMC. Luminance. Okay. Not bad. Luminance has a nice booklet, I think. DJ Turner on the disco. feel like my chair is just way too low. I need to oil it. You guys can hear it squeak. Panic. What was it? Panic. Panic. Ooh, Drake Mays for the Patriots. Nice pickup on the Patriots. There you go, Drake Mays. Good hit. You know what? I think there's a sequence between Drake Mays and there's another quarterback. What's the other quarterback out of Donruss? It might fall, but nice hit. There you go. Patriots, nice hit. John. John Bedford. Jaden Hicks. CMC for the 49ers. Is it Bo? Could be Bo. I don't know. We'll take a silver Bo. Take any silver quarterback. Joe Horn on the floor. Marshawn Lloyd. Good luck with this. Troy Franklin. Nope. It's Mr. Aurora. Not Seekers. Welcome in. And Bijan on the second. Remember, guys, Prizm is brutal sometimes, guys. Remember that. But I pray it's nice today. Kate Stover and Reggie Wayne. All right, guys, down to 6 blasters here. Good luck, good luck. Gadaboo. That's next year. Who do you guys think is taking Scatterboo? Who do you guys think is taking Scatterboo? Yaya Diaby. Books. Forget about Yaya Diaby. I just love him. Players with number 0, you can never get a jersey, man. Rasheed Rice. I forgot about Rasheed Rice. Silver of Herbie. Sorry, fine, Robinson. Herbie Silver, we'll take it. So far, rookie QB is Drake May on the disco. Raiders. You know what? Raiders need some help for sure. Raiders definitely. Ramondre Swift. Raiders definitely need some help. I mean, they've been. There's a Dalton Kincaid, another Herbie, Mike Allstott. They've definitely been doing tight ends, which is it because tight ends were the best at the position at the time, or best available player at the time, or what? What do you guys think? Why did Raiders keep taking tight ends? Like, what's the plan there? Elijah Dotson. Any Raiders fan here know why they took tight ends twice, first round? I think. Matt Martinez, thank you for the follow. Definitely appreciate it. Ivan Pace is a Devin Duvernay and Joey P on the first round. All right, guys. Last 5 boxes here. Good luck. Appreciate everybody feeling this break, guys. Remember, you do not hit anything extra with the package, guys. I wish everyone could hit. Definitely wish everyone could hit. Come on, give us a red here. A red. I feel it. This is the box. What if it's the last box? You guys pick the last box, would be awesome. That was last box. Huh? What happened? No, I moved it. I moved it over here. Yep. That was last box. Yeah, I moved. Josie Jewell. Scared me for a second. Like what? Mark Marist Viafu, our first patch here. Caleb, definitely take that. Caleb for the Bears. Isaiah Pacheco, nice Caleb for the Bears there. Definitely take that. Finally got a Caleb, and it's a patch. We'll definitely take it. So Bears. Jonas Ellis. Your Broncos. Not the Bronco we're looking for though. We need a bow. We need a bow. Not a tie. We need a bow. Another Drake Mays. There you go. Brian Burns. We need a Marvin Harrison. We need Malik Neighbors. We need a lot. A lot of help here. Take a bow silver. Silver bow. Jordan Love on the silver. Nice one. There's a bow. I mean, we'll take it. Take what we can get for right now. Definitely take that. Joe Burrow. Oh, sorry. Bo Nix on the emergent. Something. Nice silver Jordan Love there. Take that as well. We'll take it, but we want something different, right? Rook. Ooh, nice Brian Thomas for the Jags. There you go, Tony. The one everyone's talking about. A lot of people are talking about him right now. He's the trending snub, all pro snub that everyone's talking about. All right, now we need some more receivers to show up. We need a Lad McConkey. We need a Lad McConkey. JJ. Broderick Jones, Alex Singleton, and Herbie on the Prismatic. Oh yeah, we need some Keon Coleman. We need some Keon Coleman here. Ooh, there you go, Texans. We'll take that. Don't know where that came from. We'll take that. Texans will definitely sit in there. Definitely take that. There you go. We got some action there. There you go, Sal. Don't feel too bad now, right? There you go, Sal. Was not expecting that to come out. Not that early. We were hoping for it. Hey, Anthony Richardson. He showed up. Silver Khalil Herbert. All right. A little light. Was it hope? A little ray of light there. Yeah, you already got Xavier Legette. You already got a Xavier Legette. Deontay Johnson. A lot of quarterbacks, though. We're hitting the quarterbacks, you know. It's not easy hitting all of them. BJ Ojolari, Keenan Allen. Not easy, but I feel like we might have hit all of them in some form of shape. Tajay Spears. There's a chance. I don't know. There's a chance. A small chance. But he could be in that box. You know, with 2023, I'm really good at predicting. I wasn't expecting that CJ. When I say I wasn't expecting it, because there's a certain player that I know is in front of him that I did not see. Trey Benson from Mondra Stevenson. So either that or this was a... Oh, you know what? Never mind. Because he showed up first, and then there was a rookie behind it, which was Tajay Spears. Joe Milton. Joe Milton. I mean, we'll take a Joe Milton. If you have the Patriots, you have both quarterbacks. Definitely did well with the Patriots. Will Levis. Jermaine Burton and Vita Vea. I was thinking of Nolan Smith. So Nolan Smith is in front of CJ, but CJ came out first, and then Tajay Spears came afterward. So mixing. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Oh, we'll take a Peyton Manning. Silver and a Dallas Turner. We'll take a Peyton Manning. It's Peyton Manning. You gotta take it. You gotta take a Peyton Manning silver. Can't get a Colts rookie QB in 2024 anyways. Blake Corum and Braylon Trice in the disco. I like 2024. 2024 is looking good. 2024 is looking good. Zach Moss. Why is Zach Moss so cool? Alright guys, give me 1 second. Last 2 boxes here, guys. I'm gonna put up the giveaway. If you guys know, just join the giveaway. I'm gonna give a pack of sleeves, right? It's gonna be a pack of sleeves and then like 3 cards. Alright guys. Just wanna say thank you everyone. If you guys wanna get in that giveaway, putting it up. While you guys are here, gonna be 3 cards and a pack of sleeves, guys. Top left. You guys want to go ahead and join it. All right, last 2 boxes here. Good luck. Good luck. Just in case some of you guys forget to. Remember, guys, it's gonna be 3 cards and a pack of sleeve. Another Tank Dell for the Texans. DJ Shark and Jordan Love. I'll just surprise you. Right, guys? I'll just surprise you. I won't show you what the giveaway is. You'll see the pack of sleeves. You know you're getting a pack of sleeves. The 3 cards, I'll surprise you guys. 3 random cards and a pack of sleeves. Good luck, guys. Last box for 2023. Oh, didn't I call it? Kendre Miller. I knew he was showing up. I knew Kendre Miller was going to show up, guys. 3 cards of a case hit. Can't do that. It's usually something worth collecting, Alfredo. It's never. I feel like everything I throw out there is something worth collecting. Chris Rodriguez, silver of Darnell Mooney. Man, silvers are definitely hard to hit. Silver rookies are hard to hit. Trey Lance, Kamara. I almost threw that card for some reason. Desjuan Johnson. This is how it first started. Tua. Take a Tua. And then George Kittle. You only get 1. Out of that one. Should be a disco with me. Brendan, thank you for the follow. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Ooh. Sam Laporta for the Lions. There you go. Little Sam Laporta. DC reporter. There you go. Lions didn't do too bad. Got a Jimmy Gibbs patch and a Sam Laporta disco. Last of 2023. I'm sorry, Alfredo. No Bryce Young for you. I mean, he did his Xavier to get. All right, guys. Last card. This still have a chance. I mean, don't leave yet, guys. Don't leave yet. Oops, knocked it down. All right, last card of this break, guys. Gonna be the giveaway for the people in the break. So if you have that team, guys, good luck. There's a Devin Leary and Jim Harbaugh. Oh my gosh. Hoping we can avoid you know what? What if they put a coach with the big boys, right? Papa Dunk, thank you for the follow. Like, what if they put the coach in there, and that's where we're gonna hit a big QB here, guys. I call Kid Reporter. Chuck, you want Kid Reporter? Chris Bracewell. You know, I wish we could play like certain games on here, but they don't let us. They don't kick us. There's Zane Newton. There's a Phil Simms on disco. It don't count. Kid Reporter don't count, man. It doesn't count. Come on, please give us just one rookie silver here. And it's going to the Colts. Eric Dickerson. Going to the Colts. Anthony Gold. Wow, these rookie silvers are definitely hard to get. All right, here we go, guys. Last two packs. Good luck. Good luck. Last two packs. There's a Bo True. We'll take it. Carson Steele. Carson Steele. How much is a base card going for right now? How much is a Bo Nix base card going for right now? Sorry, I'm pulling up the test. I'm gonna have to wipe it down a little bit. All right, here we go, guys. Last card. $5. Is it? I don't want to rip towards the back so you guys can't see. I want to surprise you guys on this one. Good luck. Here we go. Last card of the break. We'll get to what you call it. Good luck, guys. Here we go. We got a Reed Blankenship. I doubt it. TJ Hash Manzade. Ivan Pace. Last card. Here we go, guys. Good luck. Who we get? Wow. Did I really call that one? Did I say the Browns? If the Browns were the last card of the break, they can win something. Myles Garrett. There you go, Myles Garrett. If you have the Browns, congratulations. Going to you, buddy. There you go. Parker, there's your Browns there. No one wanted to buy the Browns, and there you go. You get a blaster and a hanger box. Nice one there. All right, there we have it, guys. Appreciate you guys for getting in that one. Let's do a quick recap. See what we hit here. No short prints. No short prints tonight. Couple patches. Here we go. Quick recap. Appreciate you guys for hanging out and joining this break. Giveaway on the top left, guys. If you guys want to... Ooh, hit the CJ. Nice one. Two Bo Nix. At least we had two Bo Nix. Not just one. We had two. It's not the one we're looking for, but we definitely. I think we hit all the quarterbacks, didn't we? Who are we missing? Oh, Bryce Young, Will Levis. Those guys are tough. We were actually one card away from hitting the Will Levis though. One card away. He's right after Tajay Spears, but Tajay Spears was the last card of the. So no Keon Coleman. We did Michael Penix face. A couple Bijons there for Atlanta. There we have it, guys. There we have it. Appreciate you guys for joining that one. Definitely appreciate it. Probably the only break we're doing tonight, and we'll be back on tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow we kind of do it all day. Not all day, but depends on when I wake up after I do some packaging. But as of right now, guys, giveaway's up. If you guys want to get in on it, giveaway is up. It's gonna be a pack of sleeves and 3 cards, guys. Giveaway's up. Pack of sleeves and 3 cards. Make sure you join that giveaway, guys. Top left, give me a pack of cards, probably a pack of sleeves, and 3 random cards, guys. Let me just look for it now. Is the giveaway still going? You know. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Alright, I got it. There. Alright, guys, if you guys are joining that giveaway, guys, it's going to be a pack of sleeves, and we're going to do the Xavier Worthy, Mosaic, Marvin Mims Disco, and a Kira Lewis Hollow giveaway, guys. Make sure you're joining. Got a couple, 4 minutes on that one, guys. Next break is going to be Prizm Steven. Are you trying to get into Mosaic? Is that what you're trying to do? So that's going to be the giveaway there, guys. So selection started. I won't have Mosaic till Monday, Steven. Yeah, Monday. It's gonna be Monday. I mean, I'll put it up if you want to grab some teams. I'll put it up. No, I can't. We have like this performance shop thing where we kind of have to ship every day. I try to keep my performance up. Yeah. No.